welcome. Yes, I am alone. Time to snap a bump photo.
A baby onesie. Oh my god, could this be any cuter?
How do I look so different? I don't know. Hello, happy Monday, everybody. I feel like that's how I would normally start my videos, and that just doesn't seem right now. Before we start this video off, I just want to take a minute and talk about some things that are very important. Last week was the week that all the protests started. It was a very heavy week. This week I feel like is also going to be a very heavy week, and I don't want my content, my week in a life vlogs to distract at all from the movement, but I hope that this will be a tool to give you a break, a little mental health break, whether it's this or a 30-minute meditation, whatever helps you. If you are not in the mood at all to follow along on my pregnancy journey right now, I completely understand. Pause this video, come back to it at a different time, check the links in my video description, make sure you're registered to vote. These are key things, but if you need a break, that is what I'm gonna be here for right now, and take you on potentially the last week of my pregnancy. I am going to be 37 weeks pregnant this week, and I'm very skeptical that I'm gonna make it to my due date. I'm in my 9th month of pregnancy in also a global health crisis pandemic, and today I'm gonna see my mom for the first time since I was 5 months pregnant. And while it hasn't been super clarified if pregnancy puts you in a higher risk, my mom unfortunately is in a high risk category. She's over the age of 60 and she is a 20-year cancer survivor with compromised lungs. So it's been really hard to have her in my life, and she's gonna come by and do a 6 feet apart hello with masks on, and that's how I'm gonna start my week.
I think the baby's dropped.
You think so?
Yeah. Can we do a side by side? You look really good.
Yes,
Yeah,
you
do I
do.
look swollen?
No, not bad at all.
No, you don't.
No.
I love you too.
Look at your bag.
I will.
Okay.
Drive safe. Be on the side of the road.
Bye.
Bye, guys.
Honestly, seeing my mom was so nice, but it was harder than I thought it was going to be to see a family member and have no physical touch. It just feels awkward, especially when you're pregnant, but I'm still really glad I got to see her. And some good news, how about I share with you? This is such a small thing, but my nesting mode is real and it goes beyond the nursery. I've organized my bathroom skincare on the wall because I feel like it was always dirty. I mean, as it's dirty right now, but it was just getting messy there always. I love how this turned out. If you are without a medicine cabinet and you don't like messy counters, I will link this for you in the video description. It was like, I think 15 bucks for both, and it's game changing.
That's fine too.
Not a boring time.
Like, my rest of the agenda is going to be taking my body easy so I don't bring on some Braxton Hicks, and demolishing the new season of Queer Eye. I don't think anything exciting is gonna happen today, so I'll just check in with you guys tomorrow. Hello, good morning everyone. It is a new day. Do we hear Roomba working in the back? I should probably shut my door, hold on. If you don't know, I have a husky and a pug. I didn't realize when I did this, but I got like the 2 breeds that shed the most. Like, we have to vacuum twice a day, and I had to stop wearing black clothing because it's just like I always had dog hair on me. So Roomba was probably one of the best investments. Okay, I'm rambling, but I'm trying to get a little bit of editing done because later today I'm seeing my friends for probably like the first time since the first half of my pregnancy. I'm hosting at my house a social distance, 6 feet away, front lawn tie-dye party. I got all my friends like sweatshirts and socks and hopefully enough tie-dye, and I feel like you already wear gloves with that. I don't know if we're gonna wear masks because we're gonna be outside and 6 feet away. I don't know. I'm gonna figure it out. But I feel like this is the last time that I'm gonna see my friends for like a really long time.
Oh my God, no! Thank you.
What do we think? It's the final reveal, guys. It is the next day. It is Wednesday. And what do we think? How do we think everything turned out? I realized I didn't get to film a lot yesterday, but this was like way more hands-on than I thought it was, and I kind of just wanted to enjoy my first and last friend hangout of 2020. I'm gonna give it like 7 out of 10 tie-dye because it looks more like an ink blot to me, but I still think it's really cute, and we got a full look. Everything except for the pants, these are old, but all this I think you can still buy. I'll link it down below if you want to tie-dye yourself. Like, I even did some matching socks that kind of turned out. Oh my God, and I also did a baby onesie. Oh my God, could this be any cuter? This is just like an H&M 2 to 4 month onesie, but oh my God, that's gonna be so cute when she's out and she can wear this. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Like, I give this whole look like a 7 out of 10, but like with the baby onesie, it's like a 10 out of 10. But today, or right now, I am heading to a doctor's appointment. I go every week now, and I think I'm doing, actually I have no idea what they're doing. Maybe blood work. This is gonna be a super fun appointment. I just found out because it's the strep B swab in every area it could be, apparently. So that's my situation. I'm not looking forward to this.
Yeah.
Hey, I'm just calling. We're just waiting to do my blood really quick. It should be like 5 minutes. But did you want to get food over here? Or are you not hungry? Okay, it is a new day, and I'm trying to not have a panic attack right now. It's really hard when like you already can't breathe. If your breathing becomes irregular, you can't like get it back on track. But whew, I'm having a day and it's like barely 9:30. So baby's due July 1st. Our lease ends July 1st. And we got the contract to resign, and our landlord, I don't know what's going on. Nothing has changed within our relationship or payment, and she's changed a lot. And I cannot imagine moving after I just finished the nursery. Pretty much the thought of moving is sending me into a little bit of a panic, because I could not think of a more comical, stress-inducing time to move. Anyways, that's how my morning started. I'm going to finish getting ready to take photos of myself. I haven't documented my bump date in a really long time, probably like 2 weeks. That's the longest I've went. So I'm gonna do that. And I don't know. Look at places to live. I could not move. There's no way. I think I have the garments I want to wear. Got a lint roller just in case. I'm trying to see what needs to be out of the photo. Probably these shoes. More shoes. Oh my God. Every time I take a photo, it's like me just like shuffling stuff around. It's like the things you don't see for an Instagram photo. Oh my God. I'll get this out of the way. All right, guys. Time to snap a bump photo, hopefully. Oh my God. It's getting so much harder to take a photo. Hold on, I need a moment. Good morning, everybody. It is a new day. I have been editing this vlog where I realized that I didn't do too much with myself this week, but it's one of those last weeks of pregnancy, and it's rough. Please do not be hard on yourself. I had some deliveries this morning, so I thought I would do an unboxing. Tomorrow I'm going to film a baby haul, my favorite places to get baby clothes. So I've been ordering from a bunch of different places so I could like give like a good opinion. One of the places I just ordered from was Old Navy. One, because they were having a sale, and two, their stuff is so cute. I feel like people are sleeping on Old Navy. Look how cute this is. Hold on. It's a little leopard print romper. This is huge. This, oh, okay, yeah, I bought bigger sizes, I forgot. I got 12 to 18 months because I feel like she already has too many things for like 0 to 3 that she's gonna wear for like no time at all. And then we got, what is this? I think I got everything in 12 to 18. So this would be like next summer. It's like a little rainbow onesie. I don't know, I think it's cute. What else did I get? Oh yeah, oh, these are cute. Yeah, 12 to 18. These are kind of like really warm for a summery item, but I guess like fall or spring, this would be good. Oh, I think I got the same joggers. Oh, 18 to 24. Wow, I don't need to buy for when she's 2, but I think they were sold out of every other size in white, and I really wanted like white joggers because I think they're so cute. And then I got, on the other spectrum, an expensive brand is Colored Organics, but I wanted to see what they were like. So I got a gray onesie. I think I got this for winter time, so yeah, 6 to 12 months. This seems huge. The quality does seem nice, but the sizing, I don't think, these seem bigger than the 18 to 24. I feel like I remember this being $30 or $40. I don't know if it's worth that. It is an organic material, so I don't know. Does that make a difference? So this one was gifted for the potential of a future sponsor. So let's see. Okay, and that entire box was just their nipple balm, which I actually already own because it is really highly rated on Target. Yeah, it's legit like already in my diaper caddy. Oh my god, I'm so excited. This is like the first breast pump to arrive. I mean, obviously I have no opinion yet. I have not tried it. Oh my god, Bluetooth. Ooh, it comes with like a little app. That's cool. Out of all the pumps that I want to try for you guys, this is, I think, the most cost efficient, so I really hope that one works out. But yeah, that's everything for my little baby haul. I'm going through some closet changes. I've kind of organized this half, not this half. But all these clothes are going to be clothes that like fit me after pregnancy. My clothing rack is pretty much done for now because I have all my pregnancy clothes. I can still reach them. They're in this bin, but they're all packed away because I'm guessing once I'm postpartum, I'm not gonna wanna do this, but yeah, there's everything I've been wearing for the past, I guess, 9 months. And then in my bedroom, this is all postpartum stuff too. This is actually stuff that I wanted to do a haul with, but yeah, I'm kind of getting everything switched out and organized. I just think it's gonna be easier now than after. But for the rest of today, I'm probably just gonna finish editing this video, prep for tomorrow's haul, baby clothes favorites video, maybe do some laundry, and give my body rest again because I've been having a lot of Braxton Hicks for like 5 days now. I have no more than like 4 an hour, so like every 20 minutes, and my doctor said only to like call her or go to the hospital if I have more than 6 an hour. So I want to give baby like another week, and then I'll be 38 weeks, and then I think that's technically like full term. But it's definitely getting hard. It's getting really hard to breathe. My lungs are like probably like up in here. Let me know if you want to vlog my next week too. That could, I mean, I could go into labor. That could possibly be my last week. Maybe I'll have 3 more weeks of this. I don't know. Let me know if you like these like weekly vlogs. I haven't done this in forever, so give this video a thumbs up. That way I know to keep making this. And thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys next Monday. Bye!